Kinastigo ni Senadora Miriam Defensor Santiago ang pakikialam ni resigned PNP Chief Alan Purisima sa Mama Sapano Operation gayong suspendido siya noon.
Kung preventive suspension ka, hindi ka pupunta sa office mo. You don't even call your colleagues. You just sit there quietly. And then when it's time for you to report back to office, then you go as commanded. Pero ikaw masyado kang busy eh. Preventively suspended ka, masyado kang maraming kinakausap at tungkol pa naman sa official and military operation.
When I made remarks regarding what was it been taken by Police Director Napeñas, it was mere and advice.
Bakit ka salita ng salita? Ba't hindi ka nanahimik sa estate mo sa Nueva Ecija? Under preventive suspension kayo, nakikialam ka sa biro mo. 40 tao ang namatay. At kasali ka doon. Kung hindi ka siguro nakisali doon, baka buhay pa sila.
Hindi rin makapaniwala si Santiago na hanggang kay Napeñas lang ang nakakaalam ng operasyon. Lalo't lumabas sa pagdinig na 4 ang magkakasama sa huling pulong bago lumarga ang Mama Sapano Operation. Tingin pa ng senadora na ginawang tagasalo ng sisi si Napeñas.
When the delegation of authority, Your Honor, was given, it was already the call of the SAF commander to perform the
Lahat na
operation.
lang ituro niyo, SAF commander. 44 men are dead and you're all pointing fingers to the SAF commander. Common sense dictates. Sentido común na lang ho ito eh. Hindi naman siya ang pinakamataas eh. Sino mas mataas sa kanya? Ang chief ng PNP, ikaw, pero preventively suspended ka. Tapos yung kapalit mo na the acting chief, hindi ayaw ninyong sabihan. Wala siyang kaalam-alam. Kaya sino rin nakaalam? Si President Aquino at ikaw.
That is why,
Saka si Napeñas.
that is why, Your Honor, I am held accountable of the operation. That's why I resigned, Your Honor.
Ay, sus, maniwala naman ako.